You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftacademy.com. www.netsoftacademy.com.
So now let's start with the next lab. In this lab, I will be first logging in as the administrator, netsoft/administrator. Make sure that you're always logging in with this username. You're logging in as the enterprise admin because you need the permissions. Now, we will be now proceeding ahead with installing the Exchange Server Edge Transport role. Now, the Edge Transport role acts as the perimeter security for your entire network. So the point of having an Edge Transport role or an Edge server at your perimeter network is so that it acts as a DMZ, a demilitarized zone between the external network, that is everything else on the internet, and your internal network, that is all of your intranet. This is where you apply all of your filtering, all of your rules, all of your necessary security measures. Let's just put it like that: necessary security measures to make sure that your data or the email that you're receiving is completely safe. Now, first things first, I'll mount the Exchange Server ISO on this, Exchange Server 2019 CU14 ISO. Now, I have it in my recents here. So I'm just quickly pulling it up from here. Now, once it starts up here, I'm going to run the autoplay GUI directly. I'll not do anything fancy. Now, the best part about Exchange Server, however, is the fact that we only have two roles here. We can either go for mailbox or for edge. There is no third role. I'm not checking for updates right now. I'll wait for the files to be copied. Once they are copied, we will be able to move on to the next steps of the installation. This will take a few moments, so we'll wait for it. All right, so now you can see that we are here on the setup now. Next, I agree to a license term and will share diagnostic data with Microsoft on a system that is not connected to the internet. So absolutely yes, why not? Next, use the recommended settings, yes. Now here, instead of selecting, we always select mailbox role first. Now instead of doing that, this time we will be selecting the Edge Transport role. And I'll also be selecting this one. Automatically install Windows Server roles and features that are required to install Exchange Server. I select those, next. I don't change anything here, next. Now the prerequisites will be configured. Now remember, the prerequisites for Exchange Server, no matter what role you're installing, remain the same. So if you might have noticed, we have installed the same exact prerequisites for the mailbox server, and we repeated the same process again for the Edge server. In the end, both the processes remain the same. It's only the role selection that changes when we are doing the setup. That's the only difference here. Otherwise, the prerequisites remain the same. Now you can see that the prerequisites are being configured here. Looks like it is stuck at 66%, but trust me, it will be completed very quickly for some strange reason. And that's mostly to do with the fact that certain checks take longer, certain checks take shorter. That's the only reason why. So we'll wait for it. All right, so now the prerequisite analysis is done 100% and the prerequisite configuration is also done. And you can see a small difference here. Earlier, when we do mailbox role, we get a warning sign that there is the mitigation endpoint isn't available. Here, there is no such thing. So we click on install. Now, let me be clear before I start this and before anything else goes wrong. You will face a challenge wherein this will stop at one point. It will happen. Just remember this, that there will be a point where your setup will just crash. So make sure that if that happens, you just restart the setup. And I'll also show you how to do it, because even my setup will crash here. So we'll wait for this, and when the crash happens, I'll show you what to do next. And just like I predicted, as you can see here, on step 7 of 9, there was an error. So no need to panic about it. Just click on exit. Go back to your file explorer. Go to this PC. Right-click DVD drive D. Click on the option install or run program from your media. When you select that, the setup will automatically open again. And this time it will say, hey, previously there was a interrupted or unfinished Exchange installation. Do you want to continue that? And it will skip over all of the earlier steps, which is the prerequisite configuration, selecting the role and doing everything. And it will just move forward towards the installation part. So you can see that my setup is initializing here. So we'll wait for it to initialize. Once it is initialized, you can see incomplete installation detected. So you can just say next and it will start to set up again. Now we'll wait for this setup to complete, and remember, if this happens again, you do the same steps again. You repeat the same process again. You do not do anything else. So there's nothing to worry about here. And now as you can see, my setup has completed here. Now this is the end of the lab here, where we were just setting up the edge server, edge transport role. Now we will configure these in the upcoming labs. So I'm going to end my lab here, and I'll see you in the next lab. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftacademy.com. www.netsoftacademy.com.